Don't push anyone down.
That's fine.
Okay, next one.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Aha. Second one. Okay, next one.
This one has quality.
Yes.
Yeah,
They're supposed to be.
Oh, great. Next. Next.
Any other things? I didn't get it. Okay.
The ones that
The ones that are first.
The one I've taken.
She is one of them.
The ones that I've taken.
Well, if you have taken here,
wow. You next.
I'm Dr. Adaeze Oreh, the Honorable Commissioner for Health in Rivers State, and I'm here at the Primary Healthcare Center in Port Johnson in Port Harcourt, together with Rotary International and the World Health Organization and other critical partners and stakeholders of the Rivers State Ministry of Health. Why we're here today is to mark the World Polio Day for 2024. We have just carried out oral polio vaccinations for children of various ages here at the Port Johnson Center. The essence of this ceremony today, which just signifies an ongoing activity, which is immunization of our children against polio virus, is to signify the importance of vaccination, the importance of protecting our children from preventable paralysis. All over the world, efforts are being made to ensure that polio is eradicated from our global village. And that is what we're doing here today, working hand in hand with very dedicated partners such as Rotary International and the World Health Organization to ensure that children from our communities are vaccinated and protected against polio. Like I said, it's an ongoing effort. We have routine immunizations that take place, but significant days such as this, the World Polio Day, give us the opportunity to spread the message, to engage with the public and recruit more support, engage more partners, more stakeholders, more champions for protecting the lives and the well-being of the children, not just of Rivers State, of Nigeria and of the world. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for that question. Engagement such as this with community members and also engaging with community leaders and community influencers is very important. While we on the medical and the healthcare side, the development side, such as Rotary International and of course WHO, know the benefits of this, if we are not able to engage effectively and respectfully with the people of the communities, telling them about the benefits and seeking their opinions about their reservations and the questions. It is about engagement and communication. When we demonstrate the effectiveness of the vaccines, we communicate with the communities, find out what their reasons for hesitancy are. They can then serve as other advocates and champions. But it comes from respectful demonstration and respectful communication with communities, and that is what we're seeking to embody with the work that we're doing, not just in the Rivers State Ministry of Health, but with like-minded partners like WHO and Rotary International. It's about respect, it's about communication, and it's about being open and inclusive to everyone in our communities.
But madam, for those who have skipped it or those who are already victims, is there any form of care for people like that?
Yes, we have teams that are in all our facilities. So for those who may have skipped a dose, they just go into one of the facilities and present themselves, and they will be supported to make sure that they continue receiving the adequate and appropriate vaccine for the age.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well done.
da matan nake so na tattauna